Okay, so just import your video onto the timeline, and now just click on the color page. And here in the color page, we have to click on select here from clip to timeline. And then we click on this sizing, and here, as you can see, we can size. I usually like to put it to 91, or you can add 100 maybe, and bottom as well. As you can see, now we have we added black bars in Davinci Resolve 18. I hope this video helped you. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.